Oh, dude. So we're out here right now. Big things right now. So we was chilling. Your boy is hopping on because your boy found a power cord, bruh. Like we out here. We winning out here. We ain't losing. But so I just got a power cord. I was playing with Alex for a while I had the camera set up, just facing here. It's like I was chilling out here, and so we we're literally about to go to Logan's right now. It's 4 o'clock. So your boy's out here. So I'm gonna let him know that I'm gonna head over there, or like maybe if I have to go later. But yeah, Alex is going at like 7, which is crazy. But I think he's like sleeping over. Sorry about my hair. My hair looks so goofy right now. But yeah, so we out there right now. Yeah, so we were just chilling, playing with Alex for this entire day. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Bruh. Dude, I can't go over today because they're gonna go too late. Like Alex is getting to Logan's house at like 8 o'clock, so like yeah, I can't really go over. But that's too bad. That's fine though, I guess, cause I can go over tomorrow, cause they're gonna stay for a while tomorrow, Sunday, hopefully, but probably not. But yeah, I guess we just chill now. Whatever, I guess.
Okay, you actually need stuff to do to occupy yourself because you're not thinking. Like, I'm saying, like, you're not worried.
It's less thinking, like moving.
Alright, guys. It's about 10:30. Like, bruh. We just watched Top Gun Maverick, bruh. That was pretty cool. It was a pretty cool movie. But yeah, it's pretty much it for today. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow.